Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make some kind of Lysol type disinfectant spray. Really quick video. All you will need is rubbing alcohol, essential oils, and water. A cup, a jar to mix it, spray bottle, and a funnel. I make this one out of a can of soda, empty can of soda. Staple it. Use gloves if you're going to try to make one. Anyway, so the first thing you do, I'm going to use this alcohol because this is the alcohol that I turned. It was 50% alcohol and I turned it into 99.9% alcohol. So I'm going to use a cup of that. Oh, perfect. One cup of water. I'm using tea tree oil, but you can use other oils. It's the one I had. It's supposed to be antifungal and antibacterial. I don't know. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And some lavender. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to mix it. Should be safe for your hands. And I'm just going to pour it. Nice. Smells really good. And now I'm ready to spray and kill all the germs. Hey. So I hope I can help, guys. Stay safe. Stay home. Bless you.